Hey guys, Joel and Bryan here from Interactive Trader, and we've been getting a lot of questions lately, and we thought we'd just take a minute and do a little bit of Q&A, something we haven't tried before. So we're going to do this. So the first question, and this is one we actually get a lot. I'm going to let Bryan answer it. It is, what is your favorite technical indicator and why?
Oh boy. Favorite technical indicator. As everybody who works with me knows, I don't have one and I don't use them.
Why?
Oh, I've got to answer why
Yeah,
on top of that?
That was part of the question was why.
Okay. I've been looking at technical indicators for a long time, and I've been looking at charts a long time. And in that time, I've decided that I already know, based on looking at a chart, what a technical indicator is going to say. So it doesn't do me a lot of good. Plus, usually they're lagging a little bit, and I just kind of like to see, what kind of momentum I have in a chart and follow the trend and support and resistance. What about you?
So Bryan is a trend and support and resistance guy. I am too, for a lot of the same reasons that Bryan was talking about. It's not that we don't like technical indicators. I actually think they're extremely useful, especially when you're new. But we've both been doing this for so long that we kind of already know what the technical indicator is going to say just based on what the chart's doing. So we don't really need them. As far as most useful indicators, they're just a tool. That's all they are. They all have strengths. They all have weaknesses. I would say if you're looking at using technical indicators, pick one to study, call us on the resource line, say, hey, how do I use this indicator properly? What are its strengths? What are its weaknesses? Yeah, those kind of things. All right, next question, and I'll start this one, Bryan. Do I really need to understand put-call parity in order to make money trading options? No, you really don't have to understand it. It's a topic I love because I'm an option nerd. I do think understanding that there is parity in the markets and understanding the way that parity works will help you understand a lot of other concepts such as synthetic positions, why trade adjustments work, and it also gives you a lot more confidence in understanding that the markets are trading based on math. It's not some market maker, some mysterious person who's out to get you. So I think it's extremely useful, and understanding it can only make you a better trader, but I don't think you have to understand it in order to make money. What do you think, Bryan?
Yeah, it's good you answered that first. I might have been a little more sarcastic about that one. But the reality is, when I first started trading options, I was looking at an option chart and I thought, hey, if this stock goes up, I hope this option will go up too. Now I know if this stock goes up in this volatile market or this non-volatile market in this time frame, I got a really good idea and a lot of confidence on where this option is going. So it does make a difference in my trading, but probably on the lower end of the scale for things to study in order.
Yeah, I agree. It's one of those things that it's good to know, good to understand. The more you know, the better trader you are going to be. The more you'll understand why you're making money or why you're not making money. But you don't have to really be a mathematician in order to trade options successfully. Understand your rights and obligations, understand your risk, understand your reward, and you'll be okay. All right, the next question. And I'm definitely letting Bryan take this one first. What do you think of Tesla? I'm assuming you mean the stock, not the cars.
Okay. Man, Tesla. I think that if you're going to trade Tesla, you better have your risk reward figured out. This thing is not following a normal process. Lots of people think it's going to keep going higher, but the problem we have with Tesla is Elon Musk, right?
That's a problem.
This man could pop off anytime and throw something out there and throw the stock one way or another. Sometimes I think he just wants to buy low and get some more shares. I don't know. What do you think, Joel?
I think Tesla's insane. Love the cars. If you haven't driven one, if you get a chance, go drive them. They're fun to drive, game-changing technology. It seems like the world is split into two camps on Tesla right now. You either love it or you think it's a scam. Bryan and I are both kind of in the middle on what we personally think about Tesla. But one thing is for sure, Tesla is now the second most valuable car company in the world. That means it's more valuable than Volkswagen, it's more valuable than Ford, General Motors, Chrysler, Tata. The only more valuable company in the world, in the automotive industry anyway, right now is Toyota. And that is just crazy to me, that a company that's never actually had a profit is more valuable than all of these other companies that have been profitable for a long time. Now, the Tesla defenders will say, well, Joel, you don't understand. It's not a car company. It's a technology company. They sell cars, guys. That's what they do. And analysts out there are giving it price projections anywhere from $100 up to $6,000 a share. So the professional analysts can't even agree on what Tesla's worth right now. Plus, you throw in the wild card that is Elon Musk, who is crazy smart and also a little bit crazy. The stock has more than doubled in value in the last 4 months. Can't argue against that. Anybody who's been bullish on Tesla is celebrating like crazy right now. If you've been short, I hope you follow Bryan's advice and had your risk. I have no clue what's going to happen with Tesla. I don't think anybody really does at this point. So if you're trading it, I'd say be prepared for a fun ride. All right, guys, that's all the time we have for this video. If you have any other questions you guys want us to address, if you want us to do more videos like this in the future, let us know in the comments. Send us, message us with questions you'd like to see. And as always, have fun and make some money.
Thanks.